Ayan, nakangiti ang lahat sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ng pagsasalita ni Congressman-elect ng 1st District of Ilocos Norte, Ferdinand Alexander Marcos. Ito yung kanyang sinabi ng kanyang inominate si Congressman Martin Romualdez. Mr. Presiding Officer, with the unity of the core of the government, as our shared vision for the next 6 years, the House of Representatives requires now more than ever a leader that embodies inclusivity, possesses unquestionable competency, and feels genuinely for the people. We are truly duty-bound to serve someone who is of the belief that as the dust has settled from these elections, the time for politics must come to an end, and public service must begin as such among the distinguished members of this august chamber. The Honorable Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez is the most qualified to lead the House of the Representatives. To accomplish this formidable task in his 12 solid years of legislative experience, he is best known to conscientious builders, regarded with great affection and respect by most, if not all, members of this institution, no matter where they are on the political spectrum. We now know today that it is not easy for a person to listen to consolidate support from more than 300 elected officials, all of whom are leaders in their own rights. Yet Representative Romualdez seems to have found this balance. He values everyone's opinions and exudes the charm to get everyone to voluntarily and conscientiously work together toward the goal. Because of this positive trait, he, along with the other member of the 18th Congress, were able to usher with expediency the two critical bayanihan bills in the House of Representatives during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. Just when the country needed these laws the most, Representative Romualdez's competence is far beyond dispute. His professional experience as a lawyer and banking executive allow him to take an analytical and corporate approach to economic issues that require suitable registration. With him as the House Majority Leader, Congress was able to pass laws supportive of economic growth, such as to create law as well as measures amending the Public Service Act and the Foreign Investment Act of 1991. Such accomplishments have shown that he is able to strike a healthy equilibrium between economic interest and public welfare. Moreover, Representative Martin Romualdez is well loved by the people of the 1st District of Leyte. He is popular for his meaningful community programs and initiatives that positive impact the lives of many of his constituents. Should he be the next leader of the House of Representatives, we can only expect with much enthusiasm that his genuine interest and compassion for people will be reflective of the facade that 19th Congress hopes to possess. Much has been said regarding the familiar relations of the Representative Romualdez to the President, but for reason I have stated prior, one can truly ascertain that his qualifications are beyond sufficient to lead us to great heights. To say that he has not worked his way up through various positions in Congress would be a grave injustice to the effort he has put into his role throughout his 12 years as a legislator. Consequently, it is through this rationale that I put forth the nomination of the Honorable Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez as the 24th Speaker of the House of Representatives. O diba guys, nakakatuwa, very English. Nakakatuwa. Ang hirap i-translate nung kanyang sinabi. Ayan, no? Tuwan-tuwa yung mga palakpakan.
Congress of the Republic of the Philippines. Thank you.